तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। Now we'll do meditation for a minute. So all of you close your eyes. Hello guys, very good evening to one and all. How are you all?
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
For your first seminar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Can I present my seminar first, ma'am?
One second. So who is ready?
Ma'am, I'm ready, ma'am.
Okay, Madhuri, come on, tell your number. Registration number first.
EN21B 0721.
Your name is MYL Madhuri.
Yes, ma'am.
One second, Madhuri. Come on, start, Madhuri. All the best.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, ma'am. I'm here to present my seminar. I have chosen a topic called patriotism. Ma'am, am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah, you are.
Thank you.
Continue.
Patriotism. As we all know, patriotism is the love for our nation. That is, patriotism or national pride is feeling of love, devotion and sense of attachment to a homeland or country and alliance with other citizens who share the same sentiment to create a feeling of oneness among all the people in the country. Patriots love their country unconditionally and are proud of it. Love towards one's motherland is about being courageous and proud and then taking that pride and putting it into action. A patriotic person sees himself as a responsible citizen of a country. This makes the nation stronger. Since we refer to our nation as a motherland, love for our motherland is a must. So we must respect our motherland and work to make this country a better place for us to live in. Patriotism doesn't always mean only fighting and shedding blood like soldiers. It also means like showing true love and respect for our country and respecting and honoring the struggle of our freedom fighters for independence is an important aspect of patriotism. it is because of their lives, their struggles and their hard works that we are able to live in this country with safety and with a lot of respect. The youth of a country are the ambassadors of change, and they tend to work for the world they wish to live in. So we must use the power of the youth to make the change, and we should inculcate patriotism in the youth, and we should make them to work for the nation, so that we can build our nation to be more stronger. Actually, the spirit of patriotism brings the people closer. Our motherland, India, comprises of many different people of different languages, religions, cultures and traditions and historical aspects. The feeling of patriotism brings all of us together. Means we are of different social groups, but we all come together as Indians. So, but nowadays, patriotism is fading with the passage of time. This is rarely seen in the younger generations these days due to the increasing competition in every field and changing lifestyle of the people. Everyone is busy earning money to make their lives more comfortable and better than those around them. Love for the country and serving the country is almost forgotten these days. Instead of working towards the betterment of one's own country and contributing to our country's development, the youth of today are moving to other countries in search of a better lifestyle. Even today, there are many people who truly love and respect their country, while some pretend to do so, but they actually don't love. The true patriot is one who works hard for the good of his country, contribute to improving the condition of their country. He not only works towards building his nation, but also inspires those around him to do so. He also inspires all his friends and relatives to become patriotic. A true patriot is one who is dedicated to serving his nation and willing to sacrifice everything for the good of his nation. On the other hand, a false patriot is one who claims to love his country and show that he is publicly patriotic. He'll be posting in social media and something all, but he'll not do anything that is helpful for the nation. It is all just a show off kind of thing. However, he does all this but for his own benefit, and he doesn't possess any of the patriotic feelings. Patriotism actually brings the people of the country closer and helps them to experience the love and joy of sharing and caring. People have a sense of brotherhood and help and support each other. The spirit of patriotism is known to promote a sense of brotherhood among all the countrymen. I would like to conclude that we cannot inculcate patriotism in anyone and the patriotism has to come from within by themselves. We cannot inculcate many speeches and many proverbs may not motivate in everyone, but we should always try to be patriot. We should help. We should try to contribute something to our country because we are living in this country, and we should also motivate others to do so. Thank you, ma'am.
Good, Madhuri. How did you prepare?
Ma'am, actually, I searched in Google for some information.
Okay.
And later I put down all those in my own words, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, next.
Good evening, ma'am. I'm Srilata.
Yeah, Srilata, come on. Give your number, registration number.
Actually, I came to another place, ma'am, for the festival. I'm unable to give a seminar today. Can I give it on Monday, 18th, ma'am?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, ma'am.
Can
Thank you,
give
ma'am.
the seminar in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next.
Madam, can I?
Yeah, Surya Prakash.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Your number, please. Registration number.
EN21B,
EN21B.
21B,
Okay.
1286.
Sorry?
1286.
1286. Your name is Surya Prakash.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
What is your topic?
About our father, Mahatma Gandhi.
Okay. Yeah, please.
Yeah. Good evening, namaste. My name is Surya Prakash. First of all, I wish ma'am and all others, my dear friends.
Yeah, good evening.
I want to share a few words about our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi. It's with great pride and honor I want to say a few words about the father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. The full name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Port Bandar, Gujarat. He was the son of Chief Minister of Port Bandar, Karamchand Gandhi, and his mother was Putli Bai. He was raised in a very religious background, and that was the reason from the beginning itself he was taught about the importance of self-discipline and non-violence. At the age of 19, Gandhi left his home to study law in London. Time passed, and in 1891 he started his law practice in Bombay Court. As he found the success, he was approached to represent an Indian film in South Africa. With his wife Kasturi Bai and his children, he lived in South Africa for almost 20 years. So you may be thinking what resulted in him fighting for the independence. Well, as he was an Indian immigrant in South Africa, he had to face a lot of discrimination. Once Gandhi was on a train journey where he was beaten and thrown out of the first class compartment by a white driver, as he refused to give up his seat to a European passenger. This incident is considered to be a turning point in Gandhi's life, as it resulted in him reflecting upon the situation of how India are treated in society. Initially, Gandhi started teaching everyone the concept of truth and firmness, or salt satyagraha. He believed that passive resistance was the only way to fight against violence, discrimination, and injustice everyone faced, and through passive resistance only can be achieved. At the month of July, on 1914, after spending almost 20 years in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India. In 1919, Gandhi launched an organized campaign of passive resistance against the Revolt Act. He had to withdraw his campaign against Rowlatt Act after witnessing the massacre of 400 British-led Indian soldiers. and by 1919, he was the most visible leader in the movement for Indian independence. After many attempts, which included numerous forced and non-violent protests against British rule, India was finally granted independence by British in 1947, but split country into two colonies, India and Pakistan. Gandhiji was against this decision which divided the country, but finally agreed upon, thinking that Hindus and Muslims would achieve peace internally after partition. On January 30, 1948, Gandhiji was on his way back from an evening prayer in New Delhi when he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse. He was a Hindu fanatic who was ferocious about the fact that Gandhiji was against the partition and was negotiating on cancelling it. The next day, millions mourned, and he was cremated on the banks of the holy Jumna River. The conclude on the holy Jumna River. Finally, the Gandhiji was dead on 30 January 1948. Okay, thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Okay, good, Surya Prakash. So
Yeah,
show
thank
me
you,
your
ma'am.
book in which you have written.
Ma'am?
Show me your book in which you have written.
Yeah, first I have searched in internet, madam. So for that I have first I had read that speech and I have written my own.
Okay, but here without seeing you have to speak actually.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
It is a seminar. Already you
Yeah,
attend
okay.
senior level seminars.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Okay, good. Surya Prakash. Next. Next person.
Madam,
Yeah, who is this?
ma'am, Harsha, ma'am.
Yeah, Harsha.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am. I didn't join for 5 classes, I think, because of my semester exam. I don't know what's today happening.
Today is your first seminar, Harsha. I am conducting first seminar.
Okay,
So
ma'am,
here
sorry.
you have to speak on your own topic. You can select any topic and you have to speak here for 3 to 5 minutes without seeing. Okay? If you are not ready today, then you can speak in the next class.
Okay, ma'am. I'll speak, but one problem is around 6 classes, I think I didn't join the class, past 6 classes, I think.
Okay.
So I need notes, ma'am. Anyone
Then
will
for that
share?
you have to ask your friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you in the WhatsApp group, Harsha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Because of my semester exams, I didn't join classes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
I can
About 6
understand.
classes.
You can ask your friends here. So many are there and all are helpful, friendly. So you can ask them.
Okay, ma'am.
They will help you. Definitely they will help you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, today whole class seminar or 1 hour it's for seminar class?
We will see.
Ma'am?
We will see.
Okay, ma'am.
Next.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am. I will participate in next seminar, next class. I will give my seminar.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Next person, please.
Madam, Sudhakar, madam.
Yes, Sudhakar, come on. Your number, registration number.
Sorry, madam. I will also speak on Monday. Actually, I'm in office. Some meeting actually going on.
Okay.
Please excuse me for this day.
Okay. Next person. Hmm? Okay, Sarupa. Got it. Next person. Come on, fast. What happened? Nobody wants to speak? Then you'll get 0.
Hello.
Yeah, Sunny.
Ma'am, good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Are you ready for the seminar, Sunny?
Ma'am, hello.
Yeah.
Ma'am, sorry, ma'am, there is a network issue. Ma'am, but I haven't prepared, but I want to speak something about women empowerment as this is a seminar.
Yeah. Sure, you can speak.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sunny.
1 second, Harsha. You have to give your number, registration number. And Harsha, I can see your name here. 2 names. I can see your 2 names here.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. One is from mobile and just now only I log in my laptop, ma'am.
Okay.
Because mobile network issues, so I connected through laptop with Wi-Fi, ma'am. So
Okay.
I'm getting log out from this mobile and I'm joining that capital name, Allada Harsh, caps.
Okay. Yeah, Sunny. Come on, give your number, registration.
Thank you.
Ma'am, mine, ma'am.
Yeah, Sunny. Your number.
EN21B
EN21B
0675, ma'am.
0675. Your name is Sunny.
Yes, ma'am.
You can start, Sunny. All the best.
Hi, everyone. My name is Sunny. Today, I would like to talk about the women empowerment. Actually, I haven't prepared, but I would like to speak about this. Particularly, I'm speaking about women empowerment because in recent times, I have seen such incidents like our government not including women into the NDA cadre or the military schools. So, women empowerment actually refers to making women powerful to make themselves capable of deciding for themselves. Actually, almost in every country, the countries like America or the UK, still they are making progress for providing better opportunities for women. And recently, the company like TCS, they have announced that by 2 years, they will be recruiting more than 1 lakh personnel, like 1 lakh women. All these things happening because in our country, mostly women are not getting equal opportunity as men. Not this time, but from many long years, they have been they are not given that preference coming to the equal pay as men or the opportunities in government services. And actually, for this, we need to why I have chosen this topic is because my mother, she was interested actually in doing job, but she is uneducated because of her dad opinion. Her dad does not want her to study actually. When she was in her childhood, she was more interested for going for education, but her dad going for reputation, or he thought something like why should women go outside and study, and why should they work. He thought like that, and he didn't allow my mother to study. Because of that, she faced so many problems after so many years, and still she is suffering for this education also. And still she tells me like women should be educated, because if a woman is not educated, if we depend only on one man in the family, and if something happens, then the responsibility will come on to the woman. So she was telling like that. After looking at my mother, actually women should be given this importance in the ma'am, can I take a minute?
Yeah, you can.
Yes, actually, the things going right now are after the issues like including women into NDA cadre or military schools. These issues are coming now from the Supreme Court. They are forcing us to make girls to go to NDA cadre or this military schools. This should not happen. Like someone should tell us to include transgenders or include women into these schools. This should happen like everyone, like how men are going, this same thing should be happen. And the way we should empower women is like first thing, we should give education to our children. We should give education to our children who are our daughters. They should give an equal importance as the son, because people think like if my son has got studied, if my son has did good in education, he will look after me in my old age. They don't consider this thing in the woman, because they always think like I should marry my daughter, and I should as soon as possible I should send her to the in-laws home. So always they are in that mind, and they always think for reputation. By considering, they don't see what his son is doing. They always think about their daughter, what her daughter is doing, and they always think about reputation. If something has done by her, they always think like she has done like this. Some people even commit suicide. These things should not happen. The equal importance should be given in education, and the government should also give the equal pace, and they should include in every sector, because they are capable in everything. After looking at my mother, I personally feel a woman's mental strength cannot never be matched by a man. After looking at my mother, I saw this. Thank you, ma'am. That's it.
Very good, Sunny.
Thank you. Sorry, ma'am, I haven't prepared actually. No one is speaking, so I thought
It was
something.
natural. Actually, it was like original. You were telling like in a natural way.
Yes, ma'am.
You
I
didn't-
haven't prepared actually. Thank you, ma'am.
But over here, like you were telling about your grandfather, like he didn't used to
Yes,
like
ma'am.
he didn't used to allow your mother. So at that time you have to use past tense, okay? But you use present form. He doesn't allow.
Yes, ma'am. He doesn't.
He doesn't allow my mother when she was in school. Something you said, right?
Yes, ma'am.
At that time you have to use past forms.
He didn't allow.
He didn't allow, or he didn't used to allow.
Okay.
Okay, good. Very good, Sunny.
Thank you.
So by seeing your mother's thoughts, like I think you are married. Are you married?
No, ma'am. No, not yet, ma'am.
Okay.
If I marry, I'll definitely make my wife to do job, or if she wants to pursue higher studies, and I'll definitely support her, because from the childhood I have been listening to my mother's stories, so I will definitely support her.
Okay, good. Very good. Good. Sunny.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next student.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, we are ready to
Hello, sir.
convey. Harsha, you want
Yes,
to
ma'am,
speak
yes, ma'am.
today? Okay.
Yes, ma'am. As like Sunny brother, I want to respond it. Oh, okay.
You got
Okay, ma'am.
inspiration from Sunny.
Just like that, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am. Not like that, but I want
What
to.
is your registration number, Harsha?
My registration number. 1 minute, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
EN21.
Hmm?
That's it. EN21. BO. B0, ma'am. Sorry. B0.
EN21B
0621.
06?
21.
Okay. Your name is. So, what is your topic, Harsha?
Ma'am, can I say about means how it gets destroying and how
Sorry?
it's getting destroyed? How it getting destroyed and as a science student, I will share few sentences or few things about it. Means like pollution and global warming in that.
Okay.
Can
Come on, start speaking. All
yes,
the
ma'am.
best.
Because of as compared to earlier days, now it is in danger. Uh, in our early days means before 19th century, it is so green. It is so greenery and it is so means it is so greenery and it have full capability of that all minerals and water that fertility in land, ma'am. But after 19th century, when human got idea about these minerals and this fertility and the uses of this earth, they um, because of the human comforts, they are destroying earth, and this leading to global warming and to get the comforts, people are polluting the world, ma'am. Like we are seeing daily, we are air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution, etc. Ma'am. Means every day we are facing with we will see air pollution, ma'am. All are busy with office works and they are riding bicycles and all are go through bikes and buses. By that we are getting air pollution and it, these pollutions leads to global warming, ma'am. And this global warming makes the earth too heater and ma'am, 1 minute. Banu. Yeah, ma'am. Sorry. Because of this global warming, it is getting heated and mountains are melting, ma'am. Means Himalayas. This leading to increase in sea level, ma'am. Increase in sea level and this melting of Himalayas is too dangerous, ma'am. Because by melting after melting of Himalayas, it will release methane and carbon dioxide gases, which is leads to again global warming. And these methane and carbon dioxide are so dangerous to humans. Uh, as methane is released, it will go to atmosphere and it makes holes to ozone layer, ma'am, which leads to direct fall of sunrises on human. This leads to so many skin diseases and skin cancers also. And by we can protect our earth by planting trees. This only the way how we can protect our earth. By planting trees, we can reduce the pollutions and we can reduce the global warming also, ma'am. This by these trees, we can means control air pollution. When air get polluted, it will cleanse and floods when it's rainy and we get floods now, ma'am. On that time, it will percolate all water and it slow down the water speed and controls the floods also, ma'am. So many uses are there, ma'am, from trees. So I suggest all members to plant trees around the surroundings of their house and make aware about the plants, ma'am. And this is what I want to share, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, good, Harsha. What are you, Harsha?
Ma'am,
What are you?
ma'am, I'm BTech student. I'm a BTech student.
Here?
I'm a BTech student, ma'am.
Which year? Which year?
Yeah. First year, ma'am. I completed my first year last month. I
Okay.
joined second year.
Which college are you studying in?
I'm studying at KGD in Moinabad, ma'am. At Moinabad.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, next person.
Thank you.
Hmm. Next, please. Yeah, Sujata. Your number, Sujata, registration number.
EN 21 B1 455 madam.
One second. EN 21,
B1
not B1. B or D? B?
B
B for
madam.
Bombay. Huh?
B madam. B.
B.
Small
B for Bombay.
Bombay.
EN 21B. Now
455.
455.
Yes.
So tell me clearly.
EN 21 B1 455 madam. Satish madam.
1455.
Yes madam.
So tell clearly 1455. EN 21B 1455.
Yes madam.
What is your topic, Sujata?
Important of English madam.
Okay.
Good evening madam.
Yeah, good evening.
I would like to talk about the topic of importance of English. English plays an important role in our daily life. So it's a great utility of in the modern society. English is the important of to higher education and specialized training. So most of the book, any subject to written on in English. And English is essential for getting good jobs and better salaries. And business organizations and international corporations and to ask about the who know the good knowledge of in English. Even job advertisements and local marketing also to require the who know the knowledge of in English. People who go for abroad, they need to know the language of English. And English is essential for to access any information in English.
Okay.
English. So
Sujata, I'm not
most
getting
of the
Yeah. Now it's
most of the information available in English only, and most of the people to speak in English our daily life. English language is the important of information technology and IT, and it's a language to communicate the other countries' peoples also. English is the common language, but when we speak in English, we become international person. So that's it, ma'am. Thank you.
okay. Good, Sujata. That is not importance of English language. Okay.
Okay.
How did you prepare?
Very less, ma'am.
Okay. What are you, Sujata? Are you a housewife or working?
I'm employee, madam.
What are you doing? Means what is the nature?
I'm teacher, madam.
Okay. What subject do you teach?
primary school, madam. All subjects we teach.
Okay, okay. Okay, good, Sumata. Next person.
Thank
Next person.
Ma'am, this is the first seminar, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah. This is your first seminar. First seminar is on 12th class. Second seminar will be on 18th class. Third will be on 24th. So, and on 30th class, you will have your teaching practice, fourth seminar. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. This is the first seminar, ma'am, 12th class.
Yeah, this is your first seminar.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. This is the 12th class.
Ask your friends now, they will help you, Ashram.
Sorry, ma'am, because I didn't join for
No,
class.
you can ask. Sunny is there. You can ask Sunny,
Okay.
Surya Prakash. Many
Okay,
are
ma'am.
there.
Okay.
Yeah, who is this? Premanand Reddy. Yeah, come on. Premanand Reddy, give your registration number. EN 21B 0757. Yeah. Start, Premanand Reddy. Okay, very good, Premanand Reddy. So how did you prepare, Premanand? What are you? Okay, good. Good, Premanand. Okay, good. Next student. Next student.
Hello,
Next
ma'am.
candidate. Yeah.
I'm Gauri, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Please give your number, Gauri.
EA21B 1539, ma'am.
1539. Okay. Okay, go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Your topic, Gauri?
Ma'am, my topic is foreign studies, ma'am. About good evening, ma'am. Good evening to everybody. I'm Gauri. Today, my first seminar, I'm presenting about how nowadays people are very crazy to move another countries for like foreign countries. As we know, as a kid and parents are not bothered about studies from LKG to up to inter or degree like that. After degree like PG, they prefer to go foreign countries only. So like young adults leave the comfort of their homes to study in foreign countries, such as like United Kingdoms, Canada, Australia. So we know, but any work we have to good or bad, both are there. So now I'm going to say about advantages and disadvantages about foreign countries. So the idea of studying abroad is like a fabulous opportunity to everyone, that we know, but there is plenty of potential downsides are there, like practical, financial, and psychological. So one second. So studying abroad has more benefit, but just that, however, every pro there is a con. So first I would like to say about advantages. Living in their country means living behind all the comforts of home and having to do everything for yourself. We have to do our own works, like in our home, parents will take care about us. But whenever we go to abroad, so we have to do our works only. We have to do ourselves only. So you you would need to do things you may have never done in your home country. So these including like cooking, cleaning, grocery, shopping, figuring out transportation, and making living arrangements. All like we have to do our own only. So achieving all this also improves self-esteem and builds the strength of character. So when we go to other countries, we have to know how to convert our feelings to other, our own. No one is no one is help us. So studying in foreign countries also means having to speak English. So even more than what you are used to. But advantages of foreign countries help us to be independent. Next, easy to learn advanced knowledge and technology. We have to learn our own only. So learn about different customs and views. Have new experience. We suddenly totally change our world. So easy to learn foreign language. Whenever we go, we know our mother tongue related languages only. So when we go abroad, we can gain more knowledge, more English also. One second.
Finish?
No, ma'am. Let me. I have to come. Okay, like there is disadvantages also there, ma'am. Here there is very expensive, ma'am. Whenever we go abroad, we have to spend lot of money. We have to spend more money for that. Maybe we feel very lonely also. When one students can go for studies, they feel very lonely. They have to be with their friends. No one is joined. No parents, other neighbors. Other relations are no one is there with us. So we have to spend our life with the friends. We feel very lonely. We miss our home. Where whatever we have, good or bad, we miss all this. Not easy to take good care. We have to take our decisions our own only. No one can help. Whatever we do, we have to do our own only. Like example, my two cousins are studying, living in foreign country, USA. But in Corona pandemic or more normal days also, my cousin wife she pregnant. Whatever happened, my cousin only do everything. No one is my auntie, uncle. No one is went to there. No, gone there. So baby shower, he only doing. My cousin will take in delivery time also. He is only there with
He only
his wife.
performs all the rituals.
Yes, ma'am. He only performs all the rituals. No one is there. But now that baby is 20, maybe 1 month, I think so. They both are taking care about their baby.
Okay.
So one cousin is there only 2 months back. Her father passed away, but she didn't came here due to due to Corona or she is there only. So like these examples, we miss a lot. We miss our family. But what my conclusion is, everything comes with pros and cons. Not many people can survive when studying abroad because of the disadvantages that may experience. So you can gain from this experience for outweighs. So price for personal growth of realization.
Okay.
So that is my conclusion, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Thanks.
What are your children, Gauri?
Sorry, ma'am.
What are your children?
My children are studying they're my son studying 8th class, my daughter first degree, ma'am, degree first year.
Okay.
So present I don't have any that problems after some.
After 3 to 4 years, you may get.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. Chalo.
But my opinion, ma'am, only Indian countries are very crazy about go abroad, ma'am. We saw many Indians there only, like US.
Yeah, because in India, people are not getting enough salary here.
Yes, ma'am.
They are doing a lot of work. They are doing a lot of work since morning to night.
Yes,
9 o'clock, 8 o'clock. But they are not getting proper payment.
Even my brother also, he went, have been living there since 10 years. So once a while he come to India. We miss my brother very much, ma'am. So like this problems are there, ma'am. So no, we didn't find any foreign countries like US people, Japan people, China peoples are not there in our country. But in other countries, Indian peoples are lot of peoples are there in
because
many
what I told
countries.
you,
They
in
prefer
India,
to.
here in India, people are not getting enough salary here. Okay. See here, IIT students, okay, when they work here, they are not getting proper salary. Right? Only like 20 lakhs package, 25, 30 lakhs. So,
Yes, ma'am.
So like in abroad, they are getting in crores.
Yes, ma'am. That's why they prefer very much, very much, very much,
All
very much.
cream people are going there.
Yes, ma'am. They said only 1 month, 1 year, 2 year like that we are going there, but they are settled on. They are got what green card also. They are staying permanently.
Yeah, they can live there peacefully actually.
Yes, ma'am. I hear there is a lot of difference between Indian living and US living. Their comfort zones are very high level, ma'am. So they prefer there only.
Yeah. Okay, Gauri. Good.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
How did you prepare?
I prepared from Google, ma'am. I prepared well, but I have little nervous, ma'am, so I didn't perform well. So.
Good. Okay, guys,
Thank
now it's 6:33. We will take a short break of 15 minutes. Again, we'll meet at 6:48. Okay?
Okay.
Hello, ma'am. Rama Goswami, ma'am. Harsha is asking for the class notes of last 7 classes. Do you have the notes for last 7 classes, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. I think ma'am entered break.
Maybe she's not listening. If anyone has notes for the last 7 classes, you can just send it to Harsha because he's asking me, but I am not maintaining the notes actually.
Anyone having the last
Maybe
notes of last 7 classes? Could you share?
Ma'am, Chaitanya, ma'am.
Hello.
Hello.
I'm also waiting for the class notes only. If anyone get, send in our official group. Hello.
Yes.
Hello, guys.
Yes. Who is this?
I'm Pradeep.
Pradeep. Okay. Rama Goswami, ma'am has messaged just now. She'll send you maybe.
Okay.
Hi Pradeep, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
Yeah, good. This is first class for you. Is this first class for you?
Hello.
Have you finished your exam?
No, finished, but one exam was postponed to 23rd.
Okay.
So I got so much of time, so I'm utilizing this time in these classes.
It is mandatory to wear a mask and maintain physical distance.
I think so. It is break. In our locality, current is gone. Okay, it's now came. Hello. Is anyone have class notes? Send in official group.
Yes, Rama Goswami ma'am has seen the message and she will send maybe in the group, in WhatsApp group. I'll ask her to send in WhatsApp group.
I think so. She will. If she kept all first from first day to now, it is very useful to all of them.
Okay, even I'm not. Okay, I will ask her.
Hello.
Hello, Sunny.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, are you good at about active? Yeah, about active.
Bro, your voice is breaking.
Yeah, can you tell about active Spice? Actually, I
Which
don't
one?
have idea. Active Spice.
Activize, passivize. Even I have not attended the previous classes. Even I'm just looking at the senior book course and I'm practicing from that. That's what the reason. Even I'm also waiting for the class notes.
So, okay, tell me something about our classes. Any topic.
About our class, any topic.
And
Any
the sense
topic
means in the means degrees of comparison or anything. Actually, I did not attempt properly.
Even actually, we have completed 11 classes. I think. Isn't it? This is the 12th class, I think.
Yeah, ma'am. Just showed now.
Hardly I have attended.
First sem. Yeah.
Yes. Even hardly I have attended 3 to 4 classes. I have not attended the last classes also because of. Maybe. Yes.
It's okay, Sunny. Okay, right.
I have asked Rama Goswami man to send the class notes of all last classes. For all 12 classes, if we get it and we'll get some idea. If there is any doubt, yes. If there is textbook, it is little bit complicated if you practice from it. It would be better if you ask any doubt in the answers are also not there. No, the class notes prepared by ma'am is good and we can understand from that. If you don't understand, it would be better if you ask in the WhatsApp group or we will talk in this break time also. Sudhakar was asking, right? We can talk in the break time also because we get a break time of half an hour daily, so we can talk in this group.
Not half an hour, 15 to 20 minutes only.
No, once.
Hello? Okay. Yes. It is our bad luck. We can't do anything. We are definitely apply any exam. Yes. In this period, we have 2 to 3 classes.
How many people are there from 1 hour class in this group? अच्छा, okay, okay.
Hello guys, I'm back. Next person, next candidate, come on. Come on guys, don't waste time.
Ma'am, can I?
Yeah. Swapna, please tell your registration number.
EN21B
Yeah.
1211, ma'am.
1211. Okay, J Swapna.
Yes, ma'am. J Swapna.
Yeah. What's your topic?
It is like a story, ma'am, but about the temper, ma'am.
About the
little boy's temper.
Temper. Okay.
Little boy's temper, ma'am.
Yeah.
Nowadays, okay, ma'am. Good evening, all. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
This is Swapna. Today, my topic is little boy's temper. Nowadays, all the children having temper, like they are easily getting anger about their vision. Now I'm going to tell about this temper, like a small story about who had a bad temper. That boy, there was a little boy. He had a bad temper. One day, his father gave him a bag of nails, and he told him that every time, whenever you get bad anger or temper, whenever you lost your temper, you must hammer a nail into the fence. The first day, the boy draws 37 nails into the fence. Over the next few weeks, as he learned to control his anger, the number of nails hammered daily gradually dwindled down. The boy understood that it was easier to hold his temper than to drive those nails into the fence. Finally, the day came when the boy didn't lose his temper at all. That time, the boy told his father about it, and the father suggested that boy, now you pull out one nail for each day from the fence. The father suggested to that boy that he was able to hold his temper. The day passed, and the young boy was finally understand that his father told that the nails were gone. The father looked at his son, and he took his son by the hand and led him to the fence, and he said, "You have done well, my son, but you look at the fence, how holes are there in the fence. The fence will never be the same. When you say something in anger, they leave a scar just like this fence only. If you put a knife in a man, if you put a knife in a man and draw it out, it won't matter. But how many times you say I'm sorry, the wound would still be there like this fence only." The father suggested that boy, make sure you control your temper. Then next time you are tempted to say something, you will regret yourself. The father suggested like this way to lose his boy's temper. That's it, ma'am.
Good, very good, Sapna. Where did you read this story?
In YouTube only, ma'am. Why did learn this story, ma'am? My children are little children. They are getting temper, so I'm trying to make them to. So I learned recently this story.
Okay.
So I'm trying to train my children in this way only.
Okay. How old are they?
My daughter is 3.5 years baby.
Small.
And my son is a third class, 7 years boy.
Okay. Yeah, tell them moral stories every day before going to
bed. Ma'am, I'm trying to telling them.
Yeah. Good, Sapna.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Next
Thank you, friends.
Next person.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening. Who is this?
My name is Devi, ma'am.
Devi, okay.
My number is EN21B 1092, ma'am.
1092. Okay, Devi, do.
Yes, ma'am. Today my seminar topic is social media, ma'am.
Yeah, you can start.
Ma'am and hi friends. Today my seminar topic is social media. Social media is a collection of websites, applications, and other platforms. Nowadays, social media play a big role in our lives. In social media, everything is so widely expanded and has both positivity and negativity. The power of social media is a great and it affects everyone. Today, it's difficult to imagine our life without social media. It is very good medium of communication which keeps the whole world connected. It involves the exchange of information with rapid speed, which contains the news from every field. People always want to connect themselves with society some or other ways. In earlier days, the method of communication were limited. People socialized with their own ways. Earlier socialization was narrowed to visit each other places, having big gatherings, meetings in clubs, parks, and public places. Now the time has changed. People have minimized their social life because of hectic life and geographical distance and economic concerns. We have some advantages and disadvantages of social media. When we look at the positive aspects of social media, we find number of advantages. The most important, it is a great device for education. Students can educate themselves on various topics using social media. Moreover, live lectures are now possible because of social media. It is a good tool for education. This can create awareness for many social issues. Online information is transferred rapidly with the help of get instant users. It can also be used a news medium. It also has some social benefits such as being able to communicate a long distance friends and relatives. These provide a online employment also, ma'am, and also it has some negative impacts. Disadvantages of social media. Social media is nowadays considered one of the most harmful affecting our lives. Using wrongly, it can lead a bad result. User of social media are become victim of frauds. It's open up for a possibility of hackers. It can waste a lot of time. Decrease and also decrease face-to-face communication skills, and it's a reduce family closeness. And also overuse of social media can lead the poor ways of sleeping. Not every information may be correct here. It is a good until you become addicted. to wear. Now coming to the conclusion, no doubt social media is a great link to connect with the people and maintain healthy relationships. However, social media have some disadvantages which are beyond your control. If used in the right way, social media has the ability to make our life easier and convenient. That's all, ma'am.
Okay, good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, how did you prepare it, Devi?
I'm Google it and I prepare in my own sentences, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, good. Next.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next person. Okay, then I'll give you 0 marks to other students. Harita, Ashwini, Sujata B, Naveen, D, Pradeep, Sudhakar, Rama, Ganesh Reddy. I'm going to give you 0 marks. You're not responding anything. Okay, I called
Excuse me,
you.
ma'am.
What? Excuse me.
I have a network issue, ma'am. Actually, I'm trying to explain, ma'am, actually, but network issue, ma'am. I'll give my seminar on next class, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will also give my seminar on Monday, ma'am. Please excuse me.
What about others?
Ma'am, I'm also, ma'am.
Why didn't you prepare, guys? Today is your seminar, not in the next class. Okay, 1, 2 members.
Ma'am, today is Batkama festival.
So are you playing? Okay. Okay, no problem.
I'm in outside, ma'am. That's why.
Okay, it's okay. What about others, guys? Pradeep, Sudhakar, Rama, Sujata B, Chaitanya.
Ma'am, I'm not able to tell about seminar, ma'am. Today, at my home, so many relatives, ma'am. That's why I'm not joining the class, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's okay.
Definitely, Monday I'm giving. Please, sorry.
Okay, okay. Next, D. Pradeep, Sudhakar, Chaitanya, Sujata B. Come on, guys, give your response. Hmm?
Hello, madam. Did you call me?
Yeah, Sudhakar.
Madam, actually, I'm driving, madam. That's why I'm in mood.
Okay, 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 okay. So, can you speak today or in the next class?
Sure, madam. Definitely.
Today?
Yes, madam. Sure.
Okay. Then when will you speak? D. Pradeep. D. Pradeep. Sujata B. No response. I think all are busy. Okay, guys. So, how will you celebrate Dashara? On 15th, we have Dashara festival. How will you celebrate? How will you celebrate? Yes, Sunny. How will you celebrate Dasara?
Ma'am, in Telangana we celebrate like there will be lots of it's not good to speak in this group. Actually, in Telangana, people celebrate with most. What I have seen, the culture is like most of the persons will be like drinking and they'll be consuming meat. And as I saw in Telangana, when compared to the north states, they after doing Durga Puja only they will do anything. But here the thing is different. They'll enjoy
every day.
They like every day. The Dasara will be a little bit more because this is the biggest festival. People will be enjoying like drinking and they'll be consuming meat. And here we'll do like that. I think like only in Telangana people. I'm not telling that. I'm not telling everyone will do like that, but most of the people I saw.
In general, you are telling in general.
Yes, ma'am. And this I like the North people most because they fast for 9 days. They fast for 9 days. Some people do not consume like alcohol or they won't eat meat after completion of 9 days. They'll be strictly following the rules for these 9 days, and this should happen in Telangana also. I feel like that.
Okay.
Because the only festival celebrated with such a huge on what we say that here we celebrated like one and only festival is Dasara in Telangana, and no other festivals we celebrate like this. So people will enjoy.
Okay. Okay,
That's it.
So, will you celebrate or not? Will you
Yes,
celebrate
ma'am.
Dasara?
Yes,
How
ma'am.
will you celebrate?
Actually, on that day, my mother wakes my mother wakes me and my brother.
No, I am asking how will you celebrate?
I celebrate.
I will celebrate.
Yes, ma'am. I will celebrate.
Future tense.
Yes, ma'am. I will celebrate by waking up in the morning and I'll go to the temple. After going to the temple, we here in Telangana, what we say, like we put food for the grandfathers, ma'am. What we say that in English?
Sorry?
We give food for our forefathers. We say like my dad or his ancestor. We make food for our ancestors and this in this festival only in Dasara.
On Dashara day. On Dashara.
Yes, on Dasara day. For ancestors, we cook food like generally meat. we on for our ancestors generally meat, we cook it and we offer them on that festival day. That's the tradition going on. Only for Telangana people, not I don't know for Andhra people. In Telangana, they mostly do this. For
Unmute yourself.
after doing that, it will be in afternoon. After doing that, we will go for the puja. If we consume it, we will not go inside the temple. Generally, we will go in the morning because of this tradition. In the evening time, we generally go to the temple from the outside and we come back.
Then
We
who
celebrate like that.
prepares food in the temple? Who prepares food in the temple? Like
For whom, ma'am? Temple.
for ancestors, you
For
said.
ancestors, we cook in our home, ma'am.
Oh.
No, not in the temple. We cook in our homes only.
Okay.
And we offer to them on the Dasara day.
Okay.
This I have seen it, but I don't know how they celebrate in other states. So I find a good tradition in North people celebrating like Dasara for 9 days, and seeing the West Bengal culture and the people who are like Rajasthan, Gujaratis, they celebrate. I feel like this should be the way to celebrate.
They should be?
This should be that should be the way to celebrate.
Okay.
Like West Bengals, how they celebrate for 9 days, following the strict rules. But I cannot say no to my tradition. If I say that, and people will be looking like different. Even if I fast sometimes, like if these 9 days I try to fast, but people from our family like, why are you doing like they think different. That's it.
Okay. Good. What about others, guys? You can give your opinions, like how Sunny gave.
Hello, ma'am.
Yeah, Gauri.
Actually, we celebrate this Dasara for 9 days, ma'am.
Okay.
From the first day to 9th day, we will celebrate Durga Mata on one name, ma'am. First name like Bala Tripura Sundari. Second day Gayatri. Third day Annapurna. Fourth day Lakshmi. Sixth day Kali. Seventh day Saraswati. Eighth day, like today is Durgastami. Ninth Navami, Mahar Navami. And 10th we celebrate like Dasara, ma'am. So in all this, these Ashtami, Navami, Dasami is very powerful day, ma'am. Powerful. Why we celebrate Dasara means in previous, what we call in long day, there is like a one Mahishasura is called one, what we call
devil.
Like devil is there. So he create problems to everyone. So all rishis and they are pray to God Durga Mata. So Durga Mata became she get very angry. So she became like a very powerful goddess. So we call that goddess name Kalika. So in Mahishasura Mardini Avatara, she killed that devil Mahishasura.
Okay.
So next day we celebrate that like Dasara, ma'am. So just I came to my hometown, ma'am. Like I'm in Hyderabad only.
Okay.
So every day we do puja, ma'am.
Okay.
Like that we celebrate our Dasara.
Okay, Gauri, please concentrate. I came to Hyderabad. Already I told you before V1, V2, VS. We should not use any B forms. This is very, very important.
Okay, ma'am.
So you can evaluate yourselves by seeing the structure. See here. B forms means what?
Yeah, am, is,
yeah. Am, is, are, was, were will be, right? Always remember before V1, VS and V2. You should not use B forms.
Okay. We can.
Always remember. Examples here. Just now you said, I came to Hyderabad.
Okay.
Now try to understand here in this sentence, what is came?
I am coming.
No. Try to understand here. What is came here? Came is your V2.
Yes.
Before V1, VS, V2. So this one is V2. So before V2, you should not use any B form.
I came
to Hyderabad.
I came to Hyderabad. Okay.
Yeah. Like, and one more sentence you said, we are pray to God.
Okay. We pray to God.
Now here, what is pray here? Pray is V1. V1. Okay. What is our rule, guys? Before V1, VS, V2, should not use any B forms.
Okay.
We pray to God.
To God.
Like, I am drink tea daily. Now here.
I drink tea daily.
Yeah, I drink
tea daily.
Yeah, he is study for 4 hours.
He studies for
4 hours.
He studies. Yes, because he is singular. So here you have to use studies.
Okay.
So here drink is V1. So here and here study. You have to write here studies. Okay, because he is singular.
Yes.
So studies.
They read newspaper daily.
Yes. Here V1 is there. So here we should not use B form.
Okay.
Now
went to our village yesterday.
Went to our village yesterday.
Yeah. So went is here V2. Okay. So here you should not use.
Okay.
And when we have to use B forms?
V3.
B forms. Before V3 and V4. This is compulsory. V4 means ing forms.
I'm coming to Hyderabad.
Yeah. V4 means for present continuous tense, for past continuous tense, you have to use V4. Okay. For any continuous tense, you have to use V4. And with V4, always you have to use B forms. Without B forms, you can't make any continuous sentence. Example, I teaching. Is it correct?
No.
I am teaching.
Yes. I teaching now. So it will be wrong. What you have to add here? I am teaching.
I am teaching now.
Yeah. Like this. He is watching TV. He watching TV? No, he is watching TV. Yeah. And this one V3 always indicates perfect tenses. For any perfect tenses, we have to use V3 and for passive voice also.
Completed action.
So B forms are compulsory. Huh?
Completed action.
Not for completed actions. Yeah, for past perfect and present perfect.
Okay.
For past perfect, present perfect and passive voice also. We have to use V3. And V4 for continuous tense. This is very, very important. V1, V, because students always make mistake. Like I am come to Archimet daily. I am come to Archimet daily. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
What is the correct sentence?
I come to
I come to
Coming
Archimet
to
daily.
Archimet daily.
I come to Archimet daily. That's all. And what
Good
else,
evening,
guys? Yeah, who is this?
Ma'am Sujata Bullar.
Yeah, Sujata.
Yeah, sorry, ma'am. Actually, you're calling. I'm talking over the phone with my colleague regarding the report cards. Sorry, my child
Okay.
is out shouting.
No problem, no problem.
So sorry, ma'am. I didn't respond when you are called.
Okay, it's okay. Are you ready, Sujata, now? Do you want to speak today or in the next class?
Actually, I didn't prepare anything.
Okay, no problem. You can speak in the next class then.
Or shall I speak anything, ma'am? Whatever I want,
It's your wish. If you are confident, then only you speak. Otherwise, you will lose your marks.
Okay.
Because it carries 10 marks towards final assessment.
Yeah. Okay, ma'am. Actually, I want to speak regarding online classes.
Okay. So if you are confident, you can. No problem.
Yeah, ma'am. So.
Are you ready, Sujata?
Yeah, ma'am. Just I'll discuss why. Because whatever we are facing, the problems, whatever the advantages as a teacher, I'm thinking that I'll be little confident regarding.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sujata Bularam. Okay, what's your number? Registration number?
EN21B 1160.
1160.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. Yeah, fine. You can start now.
Yeah. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, my friends. Today I'm going to give the seminar on virtual classes. So you know that everyone, education is an important part of our life, right? So education is our future. We know that. But because of this pandemic situation, we are attending the virtual classes. So we are having many benefits and advantages as well as the disadvantages. And the main advantages here we met through the online classes. Actually, if they didn't introduce these online classes, we won't get the chance to attend these classes. Before Archimet used to conduct the offline classes, I think so. Compulsory, we need to attend. We need to go to the that Archimet, and we need to attend the offline classes only. Now, this pandemic situation gave the chance to attend the online classes. This is a good opportunity, I think so, for all of us, friends. And regarding the schools, we are having many advantages. As a teacher, I can say, actually, so even we need not travel to the school. Not only the schools and colleges, the teachers and the students, they no need to travel, so they can attend the classes by staying their home. And they can attend, and not only the schools and classes, something courses also as per their convenient time, 24/7 in 24 hours as per their convenient time, they can attend the classes. Yeah, and more advantages, and even students can discuss one-to-one interactions. Children who are feeling shy in front of other children, so they can what we can say. So they can take as advantages and they can discuss the doubts, whatever they're getting to the teachers. Yeah, and so we can express the real world skills and this technical. We are attending the online classes using our smartphones, laptops, desktops, and we are learning the new things. The teachers as well as the students nowadays, we can observe the children become very fast and they are able to operate the technicals. They're able to operate the systems as well as smartphones. So they are using many things using these technical gadgets. So before that, we used to get one or two classes in the schools to teach the computers, but the children became so smart by the online classes. They are able to use the Word documents, PowerPoints, and for the teachers, So for the offline classes, they can share whatever they want. They're using the Blackboard, but using over the online classes, we can prepare, we can present our teaching, whatever it may be. So not means by showing some videos, or else by showing some presenting some presentations or PPTs like that. We are giving more opportunities to the children to reach our learning to the students. Yeah, as well as we are having some disadvantages also, like we cannot concentrate personally to the children. So we just our duty, of course, we are teaching, but we don't know how they are using how they are using their time, how they are preparing for the exams, how they are writing the exams. Few children, of course, and one more disadvantage is, the teacher is not only teaching for the students, she is also teaching for the parents.
Yeah.
Yeah, the parents are observing from home, and they are giving many questions to the teachers. Of course, that they will teach in their own way, but parents' view will be different. So actually, teachers, what they will think that everything, whatever the concept they are teaching, they should reach to each and every children. But just few students, few parents will think their student, the teacher would have teach in some other method to reach my children. So that is what the main disadvantage for the teachers. This is my opinion regarding virtual classes, ma'am.
Okay, good, Sujata. Right, you're right.
Thank you, ma'am. I didn't prepare anything, so please let me know if I'm having any grammar mistakes or.
No. You have spoken very confidently. That's all.
Thank you, ma'am.
And what else, guys? So we have only 5 minutes time now in our hands. After 5 minutes, I'll end the class. Come on.
Ma'am, whatever Sujata ma'am said is actually true, ma'am, about the disadvantages.
Yeah. Are you a teacher, Sapni? Are you a teacher?
No, ma'am. Actually, I'm an engineer working in a glass industry.
Okay.
I'm a mechanical engineer, ma'am, actually.
Okay.
Actually, why I said this is because my sister, she's my aunt's daughter.
Okay.
She has two children, one in the first class and one in the fourth class.
Okay.
They are such traits, like they never listen to anyone. They'll keep the house well out of everything. So from the morning, she has to make them study. Like she has to make both of their sons, one in the other, one child in the hall and one child in the bedroom.
Oh,
two phones. She is giving them 2 phones, and she is going for 10 minutes there, and she is coming for 10 minutes here. She's made.
But the children will use those 10 minutes, sir. Actually.
Yeah, the children are also very smart.
Yes,
nowadays.
Even I have observed my child when I was not there. Simply, he has opened the YouTube and he's watching some few cartoon stories.
Yeah.
That is true. Actually, when my sister is watching, he's acting like he's looking seriously. When she is going there, he starts doing something in the Zoom class, or he may not be listening. Because of that, she is concentrating on every class. The person who is my nephew, he's in the first class. She is sitting with him, and she is concentrating on that class. After the completion of class, she is making the whole day to inculcate the whole class in his mind.
Oh my God.
She is putting everything into his mind that he should not get lost about the previous class and everything.
Oh my God.
And that is a big problem, and I have been looking just here, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am. One more disadvantage is that actually government schools, the children who are studying in the government schools, literally they lost their 2 years of studies, ma'am. Actually, of course,
Yes,
their
ma'am, that is true,
one channel is there, but it's not efficient. It won't reach to the students. Only who are having the interest, they will listen few videos, they will watch few words, and they will learn something. But most of the children are they lost completely 2 years, ma'am.
My God.
Ma'am, not it is thing of interest actually, ma'am. the children who are studying in government schools are below middle class people. They cannot afford the smartphones or they cannot afford for the internet actually. Even my aunt's daughter, she's working for a company. She earns hardly a 7,000 salary. She cannot make her daughter go for an online class. Even she lost the 2 years of education. That's a big problem. I believe that I still wish like the school should start early for primary classes also. Because people studying in government schools or from people rural areas, some in villages, they will not lost in this present basics actually. That's it.
I think government will start. I think so. From the next month onwards.
Yes, ma'am. After Dasra vacation, they may start.
Okay, after Dashara only.
Yeah, most of the schools started. Actually, government schools are their students are attending to the classes, ma'am. Private schools also they have started from 8th grade to 12th. But
okay,
yeah.
not from first standard.
Yeah, ma'am. After vacation, even our school also they are planning to start from 5th to.
Okay, 5th to 10th.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. After Diwali, they will start from grade 1 to 10.
Okay, first to 10. Okay. After Diwali, I think it will be over.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Oh, nice.
We will expect that pandemic situation should come finish.
Really. Okay, guys, now I will end the meeting. We'll meet on Monday. So happy Dashara.
Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Dasra, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Happy Dasra, friends.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Dasra.
Thank you, ma'am. Happy Dasra, ma'am.
Thank you.
Happy Dasra, ma'am.
Happy Dasra to all friends.
Same to you all.
Happy Dasra to all.